Welcome to the GS1 Australia online training tutorials. Online training in a flash. GS1 LocateNet auto alerts. Real-time prompts keep you up to date. One of the key features of GS1 LocateNet is that it enables you to keep up to date with changes to your trading partner's location data via auto alerts. Auto alerts are emailed notifications sent to your GS1 LocateNet company administrator to advise of a change to GLN records in another company's GS1 LocateNet catalogue. Auto alerts provide a real-time prompt to your company to access GS1 LocateNet and obtain the most up-to-date GLN master data. Company administrators can nominate which registered companies they want to receive auto alerts from. Selecting to receive auto alerts is very easy in GS1 LocateNet. Search for companies from which you want to receive auto alerts. Select by clicking the box next to the company name and click Save. From this point on, every time the selected companies make a change to their GLN data, you will be notified. As new companies register for GS1 LocateNet, you will be notified by email. These emails are a trigger to update your auto alert settings to receive auto alerts from new registering organisations. Auto alerts are generated and sent by GS1 LocateNet overnight in batch mode. Here is an example of an auto alert. The alert specifies the company that has modified their GLN data and summary information, including the GLNs and their name, whether they have been added or edited, and the date and time this occurred. Use this information to search for the affected GLN records, download them, and update your internal systems as needed. For further details on how to search and download on GS1 LocateNet, please refer to the Directory Search and Download tutorial.